Hello, beautiful souls. We are going to learn how to make a slip knot today. Everything you crochet begins with a slip knot on the hook. So, learning this simple knot is step one on your road to success. We are going to take the yarn and wrap it around our index finger, and then the yarn behind your index finger, you just simply wrap it on the yarn, over the yarn. That's how you create a loop, and then you take the yarn beneath. You just hold the tail with your finger and you take the yarn beneath and you wrap it again on your index finger. Make sure to use a hook, it'll be easier for you, and just take the loop and take it behind your second loop, and that is how you create a loop. And you take out your finger and there you go, you have your loop. No need to stress, I'm going to show it again. And that's how you create your loop, and then you're gonna tighten it up by pulling the tail, adjusting the loop according to the chains that you're going to make or form, and according to those chains you're going to form a beautiful piece, beautiful crochet piece. It could be anything. Make it a hat, make it a pouch, anything. But all the best, guys. It's a really relaxing therapy. After you have successfully completed making a slip knot, I'm sure it'll be easy for you to make chains as well. You just wrap the yarn over your index finger like I said before, and then you take the yarn and you pull it from the hoops. That's how you make a chain. As more as you make crochet projects in the future, it'll be easier for you to form chains and slip knot as well. So I'll be coming with more crochet videos and projects. Since this is my very first video that I'm uploading, hope you learned something out of it, and let me know in the comment if there is any how we could reach out, I can help you.